The Internet of Things isn't a far-flung concept. It's real world. And with SaaS Analytics making sense of all that data, there are real-world benefits. A critical shipment is on the road. Dozens of onboard sensors monitor the truck's parts and performance. All of that data is transmitted back to an automated early warning system. It looks overwhelming, but it's quickly analyzed, and the system determines a part is likely to fail and the estimated time to failure. The same system knows the driver's schedule and route in the coming days. It finds a dealer along that route, auto-schedules a repair appointment, and sends repair codes to the dealer. The driver is also alerted about the appointment, which is scheduled after all deliveries have been made, resulting in no delays and no inconvenience for customers or the shipper. And it's not just an individual truck where analytics can pay off. Automated analytics can monitor an entire fleet of vehicles and detect emerging issues that are failing at a higher than normal rate. Then, that information can be integrated with other data to isolate the root cause, resulting in a service bulletin and an engineering change to correct the problem. Analysis of telematics data can further determine what factors are contributing to failure and dramatically reduce the number of recalled vehicles. For example, a manufacturer may see high failure rates in high elevation locations. That could mean a recall of 100,000 trucks. But if it can isolate the problem to only those trucks with smaller engines that drive fewer than 1,000 miles per week, the recall is only 10,000 trucks. That's a huge cost savings for the manufacturer, and thousands of drivers and customers are never affected. The Internet of Things is not just about trucks. Cars, houses, power companies, whole cities. It's all connected. Or will be soon. Analytics is the only way to harness the Internet of Things. Stay connected with SaaS.